I'm Ferran Adrià. I'm a chef, even if I don't cook. We are at elBulli 1846, which now is going to become a museum. This place that we've been creating for years was a very influential restaurant for 20 to 25 years, and it changed the way we understand gastronomy. In our case, the mission was to look for the boundaries of the experience of gastronomy. So we decided we're not going to live in the past. We have to start another project. We have to write another story. I think you should change when you get bored. When the daily routine gets boring, there is no incentive anymore, no passion. I think if there is no passion, there is nothing. You need creative talent, respect for everything, everyone in the whole team, and effort. When there are these three characteristics, usually you can go very far. It is important to ask, why do you create? We at elBulli were clear that we had to open the way for others to enter, who often did it better than we did. So I think the most important thing to start creating is to be clear about the mission. From this point on, I keep saying the most important thing is the creative talents, and this is not easy to detect. That's the problem, because every profession has its own way of detecting creative talent. In the audio-visual world, it's one way. In the world of photography, it's another way. In the world of cooking, it's again another way. Creativity does not come from the outside. It is not a muse. Creativity is the capacity that we humans have to create, and we have to train it. We have to work, make an effort, and so on. Sure, as Picasso said, inspiration exists, but it has to find you working. When you work, there is a moment when you have this flow, right? And then, yes, you have a moment of inspiration that is greater than in other moments, right? But the important thing is the effort, the effort, the effort. I don't know any top-level creative who doesn't make a lot of effort, even if they have a great team.